Hey Explorer, I'm Discovery Guide Tony, here today in the Congo to talk to you about one of the smartest animals alive, the African gray parrot. These amazing birds can copy sounds, learn how to count, and even make new words. Come on, let's find out more about this African gray parrot. They're usually found high up in the trees, so we'll have to be very quiet. That's one right there. Come on, let's get closer. Looking at the gray feathers and the red tail feathers, I think that should be an African gray parrot. We're lucky we could find one so easily. They're usually quite shy around other species. Did you see them eating fruit? It's one of their favorite foods, along with other berries, nuts, and insects. These birds are usually pretty friendly around their own kind. Do you think we could find another? Unfortunately, I don't see any other parrots. This reminds me of a huge problem, the exotic pet trade. What exactly is the exotic pet trade? That's a very good question, Explorer. Around the world, millions of animals are sold each year to people who want an exotic pet. These animals are taken out of their homes to be sold worldwide to people who usually do not take care of them properly. For our friend here, the African gray parrot, since they're so smart, they are one of the most traded animals. And because of this, they have become an endangered species, meaning they are even harder to find in the wild. Remembering this, it is important to beware of the exotic pet trade. Our friends deserve to have their own home. Well then, Explorer, I think we should be done for today. I'd like to study our friend just a bit more before it flies away. Until next time.